James and Max here. Welcome to the Clickjack Hack. You are going to be so excited to be a part of this because guess what? It checks all the boxes. What is the problem that's out there? What is it that we consistently hear from people? People say, look, I don't want to spend a bunch of time. I don't want to spend money. I don't want to show my face. I don't want to have a big following. I don't want to have to do email marketing. It seems like a lot of times when we talk to people, it's like, we don't want to do this. We don't want to do this. We don't want to do this. And when Max and I talk, we're like, man, how can we give something? How can we create something? Or is there something even available that everyone would want? That everyone would say, man, I can do this from anywhere in the world. What if I could just simply copy and paste something? Can you click copy and can you click paste? That's all that it takes. And it's so much crazier than that because guess what? What this does is there is a platform that's out there that has all of this viral content that's already been proven to get millions of views. They serve it up to you in a silver platter. You just literally copy and paste, and they're paying out millions of dollars to people just like us and people just like you. I know that's kind of crazy. I know that's hard to believe, but that's why this product is so freaking epic. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to have a following. You don't have to spend any money. It's not about all these things that we think of that hold us back. Can you copy and paste? If you're looking for a system that works, if you want something that's proven, these things get millions of views. You didn't have to create the content. You didn't have to test it. Oh my gosh, I didn't have to build a following. It's like, this thing's getting a bunch of views, copy and paste, and we're gonna reward you for that. And we're paying out literally millions of dollars. This is exciting times, Max, and that's what I wanted to bring to the people today.
Yeah, so this program works super well right now. A bunch of normal people are profiting from this big time, doing something that everybody can do. It's really as simple as copy and paste. So you don't need to spend hours and hours every day building something crazy here. This is super simple stuff. You just really need to get started today. I promise you that you will love it because it's super simple and it gets you results. So make sure to click on the buy button down below right now. Don't hesitate and just really join us right now and you will be super happy that you did.